In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Signal Messenger from Google Play. First, we need to open the Google Play Store. On your device, look for the familiar icon that resembles a colorful triangle. It is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping this icon will launch the Play Store where you can find a wide range of applications. This is an essential first step because the Google Play Store is the most reliable source for downloading apps on Android devices. Once the store loads, you will see various categories and featured apps, which makes it easy to navigate and discover new apps. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is where you can type in the name of the app you want to find. You will see a blinking cursor indicating that you can start typing. Entering text into the search bar is straightforward. This action is crucial because it allows you to quickly locate Signal Messenger among the thousands of available applications. As you type, suggestions may appear below, helping you find the app faster. Now, type Signal Private Messenger into the search bar. Be sure to spell it correctly to yield the best results. After entering the name, take a moment to check the suggestions that appear. When you type the full name, the app should pop up in the search results. This step is important because it ensures you are searching for the correct application. Signal is known for its focus on privacy and security, making it a valuable app to have on your device. From there, select Signal Private Messenger by Signal Foundation or Signal Messenger LLC depending on the listing. Take a moment to verify the developer to avoid downloading any fake or harmful apps. This is a vital step for your security as it protects your device and personal information from malicious software. Once you identify the right app, you can feel confident knowing it comes from a trusted source. Next, tap Install. You will see an installation progress bar appear on the screen. This step initiates the download and installation process. It's important to wait for this to finish entirely. This ensures that the application is fully installed and ready for use. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. You might also see a notification confirming that the app is being downloaded. After that, wait for the download and installation to finish. This process can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once it is complete, you'll see a button change from Install to Open. This indicates that Signal Messenger is now available on your device. Take a moment to celebrate this small victory as you are now one step closer to enhancing your messaging experience with secure communication. At this point, tap Open. This action will launch the Signal Messenger app for the first time. You will be greeted with a welcome screen that introduces you to the app's features. This is an exciting moment because you are now entering a secure messaging environment. Next, enter and verify your phone number. This step is crucial for setting up your account. You will be prompted to enter your number and then receive a verification code via SMS. This ensures that your account is linked to your personal number, enhancing security. Make sure to check your messages for the code and enter it as directed. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup and start messaging. The app will guide you through additional settings, such as adding contacts and customizing notifications. This final step is what truly enables you to use Signal Messenger effectively. You will soon be able to enjoy secure messaging with your friends and family. Thank you for following along and happy messaging.